Yo, 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 it's your boy Chai City. Giving you a review of the fridge. I got chopsticks there. Didn't even see that earlier. Anyways, let's take a look. Now, I would say 95% of this stuff is not mine. The only thing in here that's mine is probably that grapefruit juice I bought like 3 weeks ago, and I only drank about 2 cups of it. Did not know that it was bitter. I thought they added some sweetener to it, but I got deceived. Anyways, take a look at this shit. What is this? Onions and random condiments. Yep, enough said. Or enough seen, actually. We got that Red Hot. Where did you get this from? You already know. Some eggs. Stacking up on that bread. More onions. Some grape jelly. Some that lived in tea. Some of this fluff. Fluffer Nutter. Yep. Let's take a look at the freezer. Alright, I didn't take a look at the freezer, but this man bought hot dogs. And a whole bunch of chicken. What is this? Oh, damn. Chef Ramsay. Yep, and typical. I always see this shit here though, but he freezes the milk. Now it's all, I don't know. I bought this shit, I don't know how long ago. I think it was like towards the beginning of semester I had this. Yeah, so it's gonna stay there, and it will stay there forever until this apartment gets knocked down. So, okay, yep. That's the fridge and the freezer. Oh, no bottles today. Got the dishes cleaned, you already know. Oh, here's the cabinets. Did not know he's been eating the rice. Brother got the long grain. Alright. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Brother stacked on ramen. I think my food shopping, obviously. Oh man. Oh man. Shit. Did I know he... This man's going ham right now. Garbage. And more basura. That's the end of this video. I think the bottles are still here. Yep. Yeah, nothing yet. Oh! That's where all the beer bottles went. Damn. This man went on a rampage. Peace.